swam a flock of busy baby ducks, learning what ducks should know. They followed the wake of a wise old drake to know how things were done. And every little duck was there, yes, all except one. He was a duck named Dinky. In a rubber tube he'd lie and spend his time composing rhyme as other ducks swam by.
Oh, how I do love to float upon the lake, just like a boat. You'd better stop spouting poetry and learn your lessons. Come on, come on! I can't swim, and they know it, 'cause I'd rather be a poet.
Soon all the trees were changing to autumn colors bright. 'Twas a sign for all the baby ducks to prepare for winter's flight. Yes, all except little Dinky, he sat and dreamed up rhyme. 'Twas plain to see his poetry took up most all his time.
Hey, Dink! Aren't you coming for flying lessons? I'd much rather spend my time thinking up a funny rhyme. You'll be sorry!
They learned quickly, and soon 'twas plain to see. They now could fly almost anywhere. They were proud as they could be. They zoomed, they dove, and spiraled in every sort of way, and won diplomas for all their feats that very autumn day.
We graduated. We have our diplomas. And you can't even fly. It doesn't mean a thing to me. I much prefer my poetry. Wait for me! Wait for me! Neglect my lessons again.
A letter for Dinky Dog.
to our contest has been awarded first prize. Your prize is an airline trip to Florida. All expenses paid. Hooray! Whee! Yippee!
As the ducks flew away to the Southland, a strange sight did they see. In the sky above flew Dinky Duck in a great big DC-3. He thought as the hostess served him, what a lucky duck am I. It's nice to be a poet, but it's better to learn to fly.